Good afternoon, morning, evening. We're on the Frugal Gardener's homestead. It's late morning and it's not much of a breeze today. The sun is shining, the sky is clear, and just getting some things done in the garden here. And I decided to start another project. This is primarily for those of you who like baked beans or if you like greater northern beans. I grew up eating these and thus I decided to plant them the easy way. Just went to the store, and you can go to the dollar store and buy yourself a bag of beans. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, nothing complicated. I already cut the bag open, and I'm going to push these into the ground about an inch down, and that's pretty much all there's to it. These beans are primarily around these poles that I stuck in the ground. I don't like buying those little cheap hollow plastic uh, poles. I buy these. They're a little more expensive, but they are uh, metal, and it takes about 2.5 months for these to grow. You don't want to push them too far down because they won't be able to push through the soil. I may add another couple of poles in here so they will have a support, but you get the general idea. You throw these in the soil, you water them every couple of days, and in a couple of months, you'll have yourself some beans without spending a lot of money. Go into these fancy plant nurseries and uh, waiting for things to be shipped to you and that sort of thing. So it's as simple as that. As simple as what you see me doing here. Just pushing these down. When these are done, I will water them and move on to my next project. Easy, simple. If you like beans, something you might want to do for you or somebody else. That's it. Quick, easy. Not taking up much of your time today, but I did want to get this in. I still have lots to do, so I'm going to get on with it. I'll see you guys on Friday for our weekly Buy It or Build It session, where I take old containers, usually food containers, and reuse them, upscale these containers instead of throwing them away. That's it. I'm the Frugal Gardener. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you have, then tell your friends, and I'll catch you in a few days. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Now let's go grow some beans.